pet hairs on your best carpet? No problem. The Swirl pet hair nozzle has been specially developed to vacuum pet hairs from carpeting. And vacuuming parquet floors is just as easy, without changing brushes or switching nozzles. Because the Swirl pet hair nozzle also vacuums parquet floors especially gently and efficiently. 6-thread strips provide an effective aid to lift animal hairs from carpeting. And special rollers protect sensitive flooring like parquet from scratches. The pet hair nozzle fits almost all popular brands of vacuum cleaner, using the supplied adapter if necessary. With the special nozzle, pet hairs are easy to remove. The Swirl pet hair nozzle, the ideal brush for pet owners, for almost all popular brands of vacuum cleaner.